Announcing new crawl space solutions for you. New crawl space training series. Do you find yourself wasting time and money to complete a crawl space project? Want to quickly gain the confidence to handle any crawl space project? Want a one-stop training solution for all of your crawl space project needs? Whether you're a home specialist or a homeowner, Crawl Space Door Systems has the solution for you. Announcing the free Crawl Space Door Systems video training series. Easy to follow and easy to understand video training on demand. Comprehensive selection of crawl space video training solutions. Engineered flood vents, crawl space doors, exhaust fans, vapor barriers, dehumidifiers, air vents, sump pump buckets, and much more. Don't delay. Start your crawl space project today. Go to the following link. You'll be glad you did.